Underneath the streets of neighborhoods like this run pipelines that carry clean water into your home and carry wastewater out. It's because of these pipelines that you never have to worry about water access. But have you ever thought about the team that manages these lines?
Basically, whatever you do, once you turn your water on inside your house, we're in charge of making sure you get that water quality, as well as once you do laundry, take a shower, anything like that, we maintain a collection system to get all that water to our water reclamation facility.
That's Rex Swearinger, the superintendent of the City of Midland's Water and Wastewater Maintenance Division. And if you've ever used a washing machine, shower, or toilet in the City of Midland, you have Rex to thank for the water coming in and the waste going out. Swearinger's division serves a variety of functions within the utilities department, and they need capable workers to come help out.
We are hiring right now. We need equipment operators to basically do what we're doing here right now. We're replacing infrastructure right now. That's one of the things we do. And we also make water taps, sewer taps, to provide homes and businesses with water supply, as well as drainage purposes on the sewer system. We install and replace fire hydrants as well. We also do emergency water main repairs for line ruptures throughout the City of Midland.
But what qualifications does one need to work in the Water and Wastewater Maintenance Division?
A high school diploma or GED is required. We do require Class A CDL licensing for our division. We like for you to have equipment experience as far as backhoe, dump trucks, things of that nature. If not, we do have training for that, and knowledge of infrastructure as far as water mains and sewer mains is a plus.
Jobs with the City of Midland always come with great benefits and competitive salaries. But to Swearinger, the joy in this career is the constant growth and the feeling of making a positive difference.
Because I started out doing this. When I started with the City of Midland, I really honestly didn't know what a water valve was. I never paid attention to manholes. I enjoy the hands-on and to see the fruits of my labor in place, because I did a lot of this. And plus I enjoy coming around working with the guys that I have in my department. The hands-on things, being able to see something that I completed functioning and providing for the residents of the City of Midland.
And if that isn't enough?
Well, you get to work with a great group of guys.
As with any position with the City of Midland, there are plenty of opportunities for advancement in the Utilities Department for employees with ambition. So if you want to know more about joining this division of the Utilities Department, you can go to our website, midlandtexas.gov, and click the Employment tab for more information. For the City of Midland, I'm Chase Cochran, and that was today's Look Beyond the Desk.